Tiredness. The feeling that you are in need of rest or sleep. He said that it was tiredness that led him to make the mistake. Loneliness. The state of being alone and feeling sad about it. Your loneliness might lead you to sit at home listening to depressing songs. Embarrassment. Something that makes you blush. She couldn't hide her embarrassment. Confusion. The state of not being able to think clearly or not understanding something. She started in confusion at the exam paper. Relief. The removal or reduction of pain, worry, etc. The holiday was a welcome relief. Guilt. The bad feeling that you have when you know that you have done something wrong. She remembered with a pang of guilt that before going out, he hadn't tell her mother. Anxiety. A feeling of fear, dread, and uneasiness. Don't you have any fears or anxieties about middle age? Jealousy. A feeling of unhappiness and anger because someone has something or someone that you want. She was very jealous when she heard that he already had an affair with her friend. Resentment. A feeling of anger or displeasure about someone or something unfair. She couldn't hide her resentment towards her co-worker who took credit for her idea. Disgust. To cause a strong feeling of not liking or approving of somebody, something. The way he eats with his mouth open completely disgusts. Surprise. To strike with wonder or amazement, especially because unexpected. Don't tell Anne we've arranged a party for her. I want it to be a surprise. Excitement. The state of being excited, especially because something interesting is happening or will happen. There was great excitement as the winner's name was announced. Fear. The feeling that you have when something dangerous, painful or frightening might happen. We all fear illness and death. Anger. The feeling that makes someone want to hurt other people, to shout, etc. You need to control your anger. Happiness. The emotion of being happy and joy. I wish you all the happiness you so deserve. Pride. A person or thing that makes you feel proud. He couldn't hide his pride after finishing his first marathon. Regret. To feel sorry that you did something or that you did not do something. I hope you won't regret your decision later. Frustration. The feeling of being annoyed or less confident because you cannot achieve what you want. His frustration was clear when the computer crashed for the third time. Curiosity. A desire to know or learn. Her natural curiosity led her to ask more questions. Boredom. The condition of being bored. The lecture was so boring that he struggled to stay awake. Sympathy. Understanding and care for someone else's suffering. She offered her sympathy to her friend who had lost a loved one. Empathy. The ability to share another person's feelings and emotions as if they were your own. He loves children and has a certain empathy with them. Hope. To want something to happen or be true. Please, can you help me? You are last my hope. Sadness. The feeling of being unhappy, especially because something bad has happened. Her sadness at her grandfather's death was obvious. Love. A strong feeling that you have when you like somebody, something very much. Whenever I come to you, I feel love more.